Hi there! I don't even know how this is possible. This is the all-new Fire-Boltt Horizon that comes with a curved AMOLED display. Then we also get Bluetooth calling, there are tons of sports modes, there's health tracking, and it's priced at just, hold your breath, just $1,799. Unbelievable, right? But there is one con that might be a concern for some. Don't worry, we'll talk about it further in this video. By the way, we have two different colors with us. Let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. The one on the left is blue, the one on the right is black. Let's have a closer look. We'll start with this one. You can see the image of the watch. It's an AMOLED display. Some key features are mentioned here. Towards the back, some more features, QR code for the companion app, and the manufacturing details, and the MRP of $19,999. But don't worry, you can get this for just $17.99. Wow. So inside the box right on the top is the watch itself. Wow, this blue color looks so cool. We'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. Then we have the user manual and some coupon codes. And finally, a wireless magnetic charger that aligns behind the watch on its own. The magnets are pretty strong and won't snap off easily. Let's quickly have a look at the black one, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same. Here's the watch, the same user manual and warranty card, and the wireless charger. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch and we'll start with the blue one. Now the first thing to notice is that it's got a curved glass, which is so nice. We usually see displays with curves on the edges. No, this is a fully curved display, which feels really nice and premium. Other good thing is that this is an all metal smartwatch. Yes, I love this blue color. It looks so premium. This is all metal, and of course with this matte finish, it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Right here is the crown, and this is a rotating crown, which will show you how it works further in this video. You can spot the microphone here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. The quality of the strap is amazing. Soft silicone straps, and you get the Apple Watch design with these straps, which is so cool. So what it means is it will look exactly like this. So unlike that loop hanging out, this is going to look, once you wear this watch, it's going to look like this. Check that out. I think it looks so much more clean. Absolutely love this design. Quality of the strap also is really nice. This texture feels so good to touch. Moving towards the back, oh, there's this protection. Make sure you remove it because you want the sensors to give you more accurate readings. Now you can see the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and this too is like a charging terminal, magnetically attaches. Very similar again to the Apple Watch, and if you look closely, it says made in India. Wow, that's really cool. So then apart from that, these are silicone straps, 22 mm, and you can pull this hook mechanism from here and the straps will release, so you can change them with third-party bands or any other color if you want to. And if you look on the side here, you can spot the dual speakers, very big speaker grill, which will assist you for phone calls. Let's have a closer look at the black one. Now this too again is got the curved display and the metal body. You can spot the speakers here. Grayish finish, which I really like with the black one. Looks very subtle and nice. And of course, rotating crown, soft silicone straps. You get the Apple Watch strap design as well. Moving towards the back, you can see the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and of course the charging terminals as well. Let's remove this plastic. Oh wow, looks so nice. And of course you can replace these straps as well. Very well built watch. Check out both side by side. We have the blue and the black one. Personally, I would prefer the blue one, though I know a lot of people like the black, but it looks really nice. Very premium looking smartwatches. Now Horizon comes with IP60 fire rating, so it's dust and splash resistant. It's safe to wear at the gym for a workout or for a run, but not recommended to be worn in the rain or even for a swim. So keep that in mind. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So we get a huge 1.96-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 by 502 pixels. Now that's really surprising for a watch that's under 2000. Have an AMOLED display and such a high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text you can see is so clearly visible. The other good thing is that the interface is very well optimized, super smooth and really easy to use. Pitch perfect blacks, vibrant colors, everything that you expect from an AMOLED display. Now when you want to talk about the bezels, let's come to the watch face, and the thing is that you can change these watch faces just by rotating the crown. Check these out. Some really cool looking ones. And the best part is you can download even more from the companion app. Now if you look closely, the bezels go almost edge to edge, super slim bezels which look really nice. I think you're going to really love this watch. Let's quickly have a look through the interface. So as we swipe right, you have the heart rate, then you have the daily activity, then you have the stress tracking, SpO2, you can add more shortcuts if you want to. If you want to go further down, you can add sleep tracking, weather, music, and suppose you add them, then once you go back, you'll find them here. Check out that display. Looks absolutely gorgeous, edge to edge. Doesn't it remind you of the Apple Watch? So cool. Swipe from up to access your missed call alerts and notifications. Swipe from down to access the quick toggles. The first one is where you can turn the display on for 5 minutes continuously, but remember that will drain the battery a lot quicker. So I rather suggest you keep this off. Then of course you have the raise the wrist to wake the display. You can use the display as a torch. Then there's do not disturb. You can adjust the brightness of the display. You can go into the settings. You can change the watch faces. In general, you have raise to wake, do not disturb. You can set a password for the watch, always on mode, and this is something I know a lot of people look forward to. So when you turn this on, there are two options. There's digital dial and analog. Let's check out digital. And there you go, that's how a digital always on watch face will look. It's really bright, it's clear, and the best part is even outdoors this is going to be clearly visible. Let's quickly check out analog. There you go, that's the analog watch face for always on mode. You can see the hour hand, you can see the minutes hand, you can also see the time here. But always remember, keeping always on mode will drain your battery a lot faster. So choose to use this only when you want to. Then further down there's bedside clock, where basically you put the watch to charge and you can see the time while it's charging as well. Further down you have the brightness levels, you can set the theme, there's power on off, there's reboot, factory reset, about. Now when you press this button you can access the menu, and the best part is you can use the crown to scroll up and down, which is so convenient. Also it's really precise and very smooth. Now right on the top is phone calling, then you have sports, then you have sports records, you have activity, you have heart rate, your blood pressure, you have SpO2, your stress tracking, your stopwatch, contacts, notifications, sleep tracking, weather. You can set the alarms, and the best part is you can set the alarm directly from the smartwatch. Also I'd like to add the interface is borrowed from the Apple Watch, which is why even the icons are so similar. From here you can control the music that's playing on your phone, breathe exercise, timer, find my phone. In fact there are games too, but again it can be fun, but it will drain your battery a lot quicker, so I don't recommend. Then further down is calendar, there's AI voice assistant, there's a calculator app which is always very handy on a watch, always on mode, there's a camera shutter, do not disturb, SOS, world clock, you can track your stock market stocks here, QR code for the companion app, settings, and there you go. So to make phone calls from the watch, go to the menu, you'll see the call app, come in here, you'll see contacts, call history and dial. We're just going to dial and randomly dialing a number. There you go, click dial, you can see the phone call is already being made. Now the audio that you're hearing right now is from the speaker on the watch. It's really loud and clear, which means you can use it indoors as well as outdoors, and once you're done talking, you can end the call directly from your smartwatch. And similarly, you can also answer incoming calls directly on your watch. Firstly, there's a vibration alert, you can see the caller's name, you can reject the call, answer the call and talk directly from your smartwatch. Super convenient. Of course, you can also mute the microphone on the watch, you can transfer this call to the phone, and you can end the call from here as well. So let's talk about the calling experience. Well, overall it's pretty good. The speaker gets loud and can be heard indoors as well as outdoors, unless you're in a very noisy environment. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, the silicone straps provide a nice grip on the wrist, and even when worn for long hours, it's very comfortable. Then thanks to that curved display and metal body, the watch looks super premium. Also, I must add, raise the wrist to wake the display is responsive and works very well. Coming to health tracking. So we first tested heart rate, then tested SpO2 and even blood pressure. So we got the readings for all, but I always say this, use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to workouts and fitness tracking. So the Fire-Boltt Horizon comes with over 100 plus workout modes. To quickly access it, first you go to the menu, then you come to the sports section. Here you'll find running, treadmill, walking, cycling, climbing, basketball, badminton, football, yoga, free movement, and you come to personalization. You can also adjust the order the way you want to. Click on the plus sign, there are recommended workouts. You can see your regular workouts that you usually do, and if you come back here you can see more workouts which you can add. There's fitness workouts, sit-up, squats, dumbbells, there's so many workouts here. Then there is leisure workout, indoor rope jumping, hula, darts, skiing, skating, pilates. Then there is athletic workout, then there's ball workout, there's dance workout. but you must notice there's no water workout because the watch comes with IP65 rating. Of course, you can wear it for outdoor workouts, but not in water. So that's something you got to keep in mind. Let's quickly run a workout and see. So first thing is it is sync the GPS from your companion app, and once the GPS is successfully connected, you can click on this. There will be a countdown, and right on the top will be the duration of your workout. Then you'll see your beats per minute, you'll see the distance, you'll see the speed, pace, calories burnt, steps taken. All that data will be accessible right here on the screen. And of course, after your workout is done, you press this button and you can end your workout directly from here. Coming to the battery. So Fire-Boltt hasn't exactly shared the capacity size of the battery, but in my experience, it should last you for about 4 to 5 days with typical use. But if you're going to use always on mode and lots of phone calls on it, then 1 day at best. Let's have a quick look at the Sports Time Pro companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your steps and health related data. You can also see your activity. Then further down, you can see your heart rate. You can see the blood pressure. You can see the blood oxygen levels, your sleep tracking, stress monitoring. In the second option, you can actually use the GPS on your watch for your outdoor tracking because the watch lacks GPS. But the good thing is you can use your phone for that. So you can use it for outdoor workouts, you can use it for cycling, you can use it for climbing, you can go into the settings from here. Then if you come into devices, you can see the device is already paired, you can see the battery percentage, then you have watch face gallery. If you come in here, you can see there are animated watch faces as well, which I think looks so cool. Check this out. And similarly, there are really nice Apple Watch Ultra watch faces as well, which I think also look really cool. Check this out. There you go. Apple Watch Ultra watch face here. So that's also really good. Tons of watch faces available here, digital, analog. Keep browsing and enjoy. Further down, you have notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. In fact, the best part is there is also WhatsApp Business. So suppose you're using other third-party apps, you can enable them directly from here. Really good. Then you can enable Do Not Disturb, heart rate settings, period tracking is menstrual cycle tracking for women, sedentary reminder, camera, alarm clock, phone book, world clock. You can track your stocks directly from the stock market app. Raise to wrist can be enabled on and off, vibration alert, backlight time can be set, date format, measurement unit, anti-lost reminder, firmware update. Then further in Me, if you come into settings, you can actually share your data with Google Fit and Strava. I find this super convenient because usually you want your data to remain secure, which is why Google Fit and Strava are probably the best apps for that. Similarly, there are a lot of other things available here. The app is really nice, very simply designed and clean, easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So, the Fire-Boltt Horizon comes with an impressive build quality, amazing display, and above that a curved display. Then there's Bluetooth calling and so much more, all for just $1,799. It's an absolute steal. Yes, there's no IP68 or IP67 rating, but you do get IP65, which is enough to protect the watch from any basic water exposure. The Horizon is an easy recommendation and offers more value than its price. Just go for it. Available in multiple colors. I'll share the links for all in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.